I'ma explain why you probably never see me. I push a Lamborghini, choke your magic like Houdini. My body shaped like genie, booty dreamy, waist is teeny. Yes, I told him to get titles, so he stream me when he leave me. I go hard in the booth, Biggie vibes, give me the loot. I'm a classy millionaire, bitches ain't got the cool.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a soft glam look. Not with the ABH palette because I'm poor. Thanks for watching my first video, but if you haven't, sister, what are you doing? Go click it and watch it in the description below. And make sure you watch the whole thing because I need the AdSense money. After you're done, make sure to like and subscribe and make sure to turn on post notifications so that I can get more AdSense money. Let's get right into the look. The first step to a good look is always to moisturize. I used It Confidence in a Cream. The next step is to prime. Today I'm going to be using two primers. The e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer and the Benefit Porefessional. It's funny because they contrast each other because one gives me acne and one gets rid of it. Haha! I'm going to put this primer on my main acne spots. So maybe the acne spot that I have right here, her name is Patricia. And now that that's all set, we're going to take the Porefessional and blend it into my pore problem zones. Okay, now that that's done and we have glitter all over our faces because Megagate 8000, we're going to do our concealer. So now we're going to get into foundation. Today I'm using the Makeup Forever HD foundation in the shade Y335. I'm going to apply this foundation with the Real Techniques 101 brush from the Metals collection. So now we're going to do what Tana Mojo does and take a brush and just swirl it around our face. I'm going to be using the NARS concealer, the Radiant Creamy Concealer, in the color Custard to spot conceal my face. Now for the under eye area and the forehead, since both of those places can get a little creasy, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo Concealer. Now we're going to use a fake off-brand Artiste brush to blend out my concealer. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with the Kat Von D Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to take this Real Techniques blending sponge from the Metals collection and I'm going to dip into my powder and then set my under eyes. This is not dampened, it's just dry. And the point on this really helps me get into those edges so my eyes don't crease like they are now. Okay. I already wiped off my bake. Sorry, my camera ran out of storage and I had to change the SD card. So now we're going to do contour. So I'm just going to take one scoop of this Hoola bronzer on my brush and I'm just going to carve out my cheekbone while also bronzing at the same time. Now I'm going to snatch this nose. I already put bronzer on both sides, and now I'm going to bake my nose while I'm also baking my cheek contour. Now, I've finished my nose contour and my cheek contour, and when I'm done, this face is going to be snatched. Now we're going to change this forehead into a two-head. So I'm going to take this big fluffy powder brush and just go in at my hairline and turn myself into a sunburnt Sally. Going back with the Hoola bronzer, I'm going to be bronzing my forehead. To highlight, I'm going to be using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the color Opal. And to apply it, I'm going to be using the Real Techniques setting brush. So you have an extra layer of, to this highlight, we're going to be using the Highlight Mermaids palette from Lime Crime in the middle color Pearl. Now we're going to do eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Brow Zanes by Benefit in the color number 5. Now my brows are... First, I'm going to do my Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eye Primer, because you know I'm not getting any of those wrinkles. Now I'm going to set these eyes, because you don't want transition shade on cream with a foundation powder. I will be using the MAC Studio Fix in the color C5, because I'm one yellow bee. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. First, I'm going to take these two transition shades. The names are Silk Cream and Mifo. It's these two right here. It's in between a row of shimmers, so you can tell that they're matte. So we're actually going to do more of a soft glam. I'm kind of getting mustard yellow vibes from this palette. I love this one shade called Creamsicle. It's so pretty. So I'm going to take this same fluffy brush, because sister, you know I don't have that many brushes, and I'm going to go into the shade Creamsicle. I'm just going to dip in twice, tap off, and blend into the outer corner over the transition shade. I'm going to be taking this darker, kind of pukey, that's the name of the color, shade right here. And I'm going to be taking that and putting it in the very outer corner. I'm only going to put a little bit because I don't want this to be super crazy. Remember, we're doing a soft glam. I'm going to be taking the shade In Light, which is kind of a subtle, you know, inner corner kind of highlight shade. And I'm just going to put this right in the inner corner and blend it out onto the lid just a tiny little bit. Now I'm going to take the same brush that I used on Pukey and just blend into the bottom of the eye a little bit. So I'm just going to put a little eyeliner on the top of my lid so my false lashes will blend it. Now you want this line to be a little bit thicker than normal because you want to make sure the false lashes don't look like they're not real. Now I'm going to be using these wonderful falsies from Tarte. They're called Flirt. They're light, wispy lashes that add flirty length. Before I put on my false lashes, I'm going to take my favorite mascara ever, the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. Urban Decay, please put me on your PR list. Okay, I just put on one coat of mascara. You really don't want them looking crazy. So now I'm going to go in with my Flirt Tarte lashes. I'm going to be using Duo Lash Glue, and I'm just going to stick these on right where the eyeliner is. Okay, time to put them on. These are the false lashes applied. Trust me, this took a lot longer than you thought it did. Now we're going to do lips. Today I'm not really feeling a liquid lip. I'm feeling... I love this lipstick from Nicki Minaj and MAC. MAC, please put me on your PR list. It's called Nicki's Nude. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked watching my second video, and make sure if you haven't already to watch the first one. Like and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to see when I post next. Remember, I post every Saturday at 3 p.m., unless there's Wi-Fi or upload issues. Bye guys, love you!